Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish chapter 2 of the Dress to Impress winter event. So I'm just going to wait for the reindeers to spawn. Here we go. Reach the end to enter the ice cave. So we cannot crush the snowman as well as the presents, but you can go through here to move faster. So that's what I like to do. Oops. It is a little bit harder though if you go faster because you cannot really see it clearly. But I'm just going to go through it. Oh no, I was meant to get the token, but I missed it. Whatever. Just gonna go through that again. You do need to finish it though. Okay. We're almost there. Oops, I almost crashed into it again. Oh my dear. There we go. We have reached the end and it's going to go to a cutscene, which you can skip if you've done it, I think. It's just me. It's just me. Let's skip that. And you're going to go to the sleigh on the very right. If you want to redeem the fountain code, you go to this one and then type Palingenicha. I don't know how to say that word. I'm just going to write this one though. And it's going to bring me to the correct place, I guess. The one in the middle doesn't go anywhere. You just get teleported back to the correct place. So make sure you go to the one on the right. Now in this part, you need to just unlock it. And it's going to teleport you to the boss fight, which is the third chapter. That is pretty much it, really. That's how you can complete chapter 2. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.